Alright, so there's your sine wave, okay guys? That's the elliptical that the sun takes, and that's the equatorial line, okay? Right here is Virgo, right here is Pisces. That's the current zodiac, guys, okay? There are 14 zodiac signs, not 12, and not 13. 13 is incomplete because it doesn't depict Orion, okay? Now, as you can see, break it down, guys. It's all about factors of pi. Pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Okay? Now, if we are leaving sin, leaving the sine wave, and going to cosine, okay? It all goes back to what Jesus says. What does Jesus say, guys? Jesus says we need to make the V. We need to make the V, guys. Okay? Our new points of intersection are going to be Orion and Ophiuchus. Okay? Now that is a 90 degrees phase shift. Okay? Because obviously, to start here instead of here. Okay? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants, just like the cross. And we're going to start here and go -1, and then go back up to +1 at 2 pi. Alright, the Jesus fingers, guys, you know, Jesus likes to do the V. You know, the V, guys, when two one-dimensional lines become one, they make a V. Okay, it's dimensions of unity, it's Roman numerals. You go from a 0 to an I to a V. Okay? Now what that means, I believe, is that our seasons are going to be all messed up. Okay? I think the seasons are going to change. Okay? Meaning, properly depicted, that we're going to go from this depiction, okay, where the beginning of our year should be March 20th, the beginning of the spring, and 1 week later, Rome changed the calendar to January 1st is the beginning of the year. And they like to call all the people that followed the old calendar the April Fools. Now, if we go from a sine wave to a cosine wave, look, guys, our beginning of our year is January 1st, okay? Springtime. So what if we don't have a winter this year? It could happen. It's a theory. I'm allowed to make theories. It doesn't mean I'm mentally ill. It doesn't mean anything, guys. It just means that I have a different way of thinking. Okay? So if this is the new spring, that means that March 19th, March 20th will be the summer. And that means the fall will start around June 6th. Okay? You know? May 11th to June 5th. June 5th, June 6th will be the new fall. And the new winter will be around August 23rd, September 17th to September 18th, right here. That will be our fall solstice. Obviously, the chakras are not in a line because I haven't properly depicted it. It's 90 degrees out of phase, guys. You need a line of balance with the left and the right. This does not show balance between left and the right. Okay, so we're leaving sin. Jesus says we need to make the V, which is obviously depicted here. We're leaving sin, guys. Think about it. Cheers.